child.
You're a father, Cheeto. You're a father, Cheeto.
Your father, Cheeto!
Stop running.
Jerry, come here, baby.
Introducing our new kitten to our cat. He decided to kill him.
Господи! Какая ты страшная! Боже ж ты мой, ты как ядерная война!
Trying to pretend not to notice, but the little troublemaker won't give up. This ginger cat has incredible patience. Nap time completely destroyed by the new member. The ginger cat's face is full of resignation and helplessness.
Ai làm gì trời?
The little kitten just wants to make friends, but the big sister is still wary, observing from behind the curtain. No sibling bond yet.
Big
Yeah, it's
kid.
like the ninja thing.
Yeah.
Even rest isn't peaceful with this super energetic baby. The big cat just wants to lie still, but the little one won't allow it. Thought the big cat hated it, but caught them secretly bonding like this. A friendship is blossoming.
Опа! Носочек не сдается.
The kitten seeks warmth from the sleeping big cat. This tender moment melts every heart. Just one day after arriving, Big Sister is already cuddling and caring for the little one. Love comes so quickly and sweetly. Sky tries to show love, but the little one doesn't cooperate. The result is the big cat immediately regretting it with this grumpy face.
Bak nasıl makine gidecekler ya.
Do you have any similar stories about introducing new...
There's no way you pull this off.
Oh.
Что, Кита? Мальчик.
Hey, Opie. You want some cheese? Okay.
Hey! Hey!
You're a brat.
Do you want to hang out with your mommy today?
No, you stink.
Give me my bag. Where are you taking it? Give it. Let go. God.
Oh my God. You're on the fridge.
I know. You gotta lay down for a treat. Lay down. Lay down. Good job, kitty.
There's a new Instagram feature. Now when you like a post, you'll see a heart on the screen, and if you keep tapping, the heart will get bigger and bigger. Try it on this reel.
What do you want, Lila? You want the water? No.
Bro. Move. Curry.
Roscoe, are you in trouble? I think you're in trouble.
I think this cat has a death wish. Oh, yep, It absolutely does. Okay, wow, we're just confidently approaching. Oh my god! You guys! Bella, you're being so good. The cat's like, well, I don't think it smells very good.
Hold on. So, obviously he... Oh! I'm so sorry, Greg.
Siempre el